Morning, guys. December 28th, 2022. What's going on with my truck? I just actually purchased a truck today. Actually, I purchased the truck in Indiana. Wired the money there. The guy got the money. I already got a shipping quote. He's going to ship it over to me. What I ended up getting was a 14-foot FedEx truck. It's actually brand new. It's got like 400 miles on it. It's a 2021, and it's been sitting on a lot for a couple of years. What the deal with this guy? I guess he bought like a whole bunch of these things, and somebody was going to take them. He was going to take the motors out and run them, turn them into battery operated units for some guy, and I guess the deal fell through. So I got a pretty good deal on it. I saved like $20,000 on the truck compared to what they want for them new. And I did get the 7.3 gas motor, 14-foot box truck. It's a FedEx truck. It's just like my old one. I got the 6-speed transmission, what I wanted, and I got the heavy-duty chassis, which is a 16,000-pound chassis, and it does have AC. So I got everything I needed. Like I said, I wired the money to the guy today. He already got me a shipping quote. It's going to be just under $3,000 to have it shipped. It's halfway across the country, so now he's going to have the shipping company send it to me, and I'll be able to, put all my shelving and everything. It's still going to be a process once I get the new truck to switch everything over. So I'm still in limbo, unfortunately, but I am moving ahead, and I do, I can see light at the end of the tunnel here with the truck situation. So this way it's brand new. I'm definitely not going with no diesels again, because they were nothing but problems. That other truck was a disaster. I just figured I'd give you an update. I really haven't been working because of the truck situation, and I might have to throw some tools in my pickup truck and start doing some jobs. I'm not sure yet, but just a quick update. We are moving ahead, and it's looking good. It's about time. I should have bought a new truck a long time ago. The amount of money I spent into that old truck was completely ridiculous. Completely ridiculous. So I should have, a good 4 or 5 years and no issues with this new truck. So, all right, just a quick update. Once I get back on the road, I'll start doing videos again. I appreciate you bearing with me, and more videos to come.